Hi, this is GS from UOOE.org, University of Online Education. And today's session, I'm going to show you how to display this array formatted data in the format of table. Because in my previous session, I show you how to fetch the data by using MySQL_fetch_array source function, and how to display the MySQL data in the format of array. Now I'm going to show you how to display this array formatted data in the format of table. This is actually my displaying array formatted data here on web page. Now I'm going to display this data in the format of table. So first of all, we have to start table, and border something like 1. So I'm closing this table at the end. So this is my records. So I want to place this on the table, so I want to loop this one. Now here I can able to write tables, tr td. Why I close this PHP close tag here means we can't able to write tables HTML directly to PHP code. Suppose if see here, I'm not having any error because the PHP tag has been closed here. Suppose if I am not closed this tag means, if I write directly this HTML table tags in PHP means I will get some error. This is the error. So in order to write HTML tags in PHP, we have to close this PHP tag, and inside the loop we can able to write this HTML tags because the PHP tags has closed here. So first of all, I want a table header. So tr close tag, in this tags header th. First one is username. If I see my database, now I want to fetch, I'm fetching this data in the format of table. So the table header is uname. So first one is uname, and the second one is email, third one is password. Password means we can't able to give password directly in a table format, so I'm not giving that password. I'm just taking mobile. If you see here, I got the headings. So through these headings I want to print this array format data. Like in this uname I want to print John, UOOE, Marsh and Kiddy, and through this email I want to print data like John@gmail, UOOE@gmail.com, Marsh@gmail.com, and this phone number I have to display this phone numbers details. That's the concept I'm going to show you how to display the array format records in the format of table. So I just created a heading. Now I want to display this data. So td, in this td I want to get uname. First one is uname. So in starting of my session I'll show you how to fetch array data. So I think I can write directly fetch data of first one is uname. We doesn't need this p underscore id because it's an auto increment, so I'm just taking uname. So if I save this and run, means it will show an error. Here, because I just in this HTML I am just writing PHP code without PHP tags. So in while we writing PHP code in HTML, means we should open the tag and echo. Now if you see here, means you can able to see names. I got this names. This names is nothing but John, UOOE, Marsh and Kiddy here in the format of table. Next one is I want to get emails. So PHP echo dollar data offs. My email ID is email, so it is email. Close the tree. If you see here, you can able to get emails data. Next one is mobile. GD PHP echo dollar fetch data off. This is mobile. I mean, actually this fields, the fields name is nothing but here this database fields. I already told you by using MySQL underscore fetch underscore assoc we can able to get this database field names as a records. So if I can use mobile. And close the tag. If you see here, I just got this mobile numbers also. So I want to add like extra fields like edit and delete in order to edit this record. So in this heading, table heading, I'm adding th as edit, another th as delete. See here, edit and delete. So in table loop format also how to add edit fields. Edit and another field delete. Let me check. Yes, edit and next field is delete. Hyperlink href. Close anchor tag and delete. Okay, I'll open here this extra. CD and this link is delete. see here, now if I remove this print underscore data, I mean this is for testing purpose, displaying array data, whether the data is fetching correctly or not. Once we get, we can show this data itself. So this is the way how to fetch data from database and display on web page in the format of tables. So I'm also want to show you the slightly difference. So what's the difference if I use row means? Row means, if I fetching data by using row means, it will fetch the data in the format of numeric array. So if I print this data means, you can see the format of numeric array. Print underscore r of fetch data. So if it is printing in numeric array means you can't able to fetch data like uname or email, because it will be in numeric like 0 1 2 like that. If you see here, it will show 0 1 2 3 4. So you can't able to see these records, because you can able, if you want to print uname means you have to fetch like 1, because it's the numeric status is position is 1. So you want to take here as 1. If you see here, right now it's showing error. If you see here, you can able to see John, UOOE, Marsh, extra. And if you want to fetch email means you have to take the position of numeric is 2. So you want to take 2. If you see here, now you can able to get John, UOE and everything. And for the mobile position is 4. So you want to take 4. I mean this is just numeric, it is not necessary to place between single quotes. If it is string means you want to place in single quotes. So for this numeric, it doesn't matter if you place in single quotes or double quotes, it doesn't matter, it will display. So this is the way if you fetch record by using row. Suppose if you going to fetch data by using array means, it will fetch the array display array in the format of numeric, at the same time associative. Associative is nothing but database field name, at the same time numeric field also. If you see here, it's displaying in both numeric and the associative database field name. So you can fetch data by using numeric format, or you can also fetch data by using associative. Suppose if you want here that email means just you can place either to or email. If you see here, you can't find any much difference, because by using this array we can define either record position or record name. So that's the use of array. Coming to the associative array, which I prefer is assoc. It will display only associative array. Why I prefer instead of array means instead of this MySQL underscore fetch underscore array, why I prefer MySQL underscore fetch underscore assoc means this array display the record in both numeric and associative, because it's the waste of storage, array storage. So it's better to use assoc. It will just fetch associative array. So I can say that it will display records in fast comparing to MySQL underscore fetch underscore array. And coming to the MySQL underscore object, it will display records in the format of object. This is, it will display the records in the format of object. So this record MySQL underscore fetch underscore object is not much preferable, so it's better to use Asos. This is the difference. I mean, fetching records from tables. Why it's showing means here I am using Asos, but I am using defining numeric. So I have to define here uname and here mobile. So this is how to this is the way how to display records from the database in the format of loop on the web page. In next coming session, I will show you how to edit these records and how to modify the records and how to delete the records. For this session today, this is the end of the session. Thank you.